And I'm going to show you again what it looks like to monitor a PlayPosit assignment from the teacher end. I am just going to click on the assignment. When I do that, since I assigned the bulb, I'm going to click on monitor. Okay. When I do that, it is going to open up this window. This is the name of the student. That's me. Okay. And I am going to click on this. Okay, so here is the answer I can see from the student. I can decide to give them 0, 1, 2, or 3 points. That's 3. It's an organelle, it's a function, and they match up. Okay, and then that is complete. That's graded. It shows me this was a correct answer. These two were wrong answers. All right, and I am clicking sync grades because I have this within Schoology. Okay, I can check sync status. It says it was successfully exported. Okay, so I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to Schoology and look at the gradebook, and you can see for the PlayPosit, the score has in fact populated directly in Schoology. No outside typing on my part.